Hello and welcome to Koopid. Today we're going to show you how to do images and buttons in expert mode. First, enter into expert mode. Then, from the icons menu, you can upload any images you'd like to use. Here we will upload two samples, person A and person B. Next, we'll go and create a workflow to test and create buttons. So we created a new workflow. We will just call it button samples. And then we will drag in an output and an input node. First we will do text buttons. To do formatting with buttons, you select formatted text as the option, and we put in person A as some text, and then this little icon on the left will turn that into a button. And then we'll do person B, and now we will make a button out of person B. We'll save it, and then we'll connect up the nodes in the workflow to perform a test. And here we'll use try it mode to be able to do testing right here in place. Now you can see at the bottom there's person A, person B. We select person A, and then the workflow moves forward and ends. Now we will combine text and an image. We drag two new nodes here, and we call this one text and image. Select it as formatted text, and here we will use this button to place the images inside of this prompt. Now select the image and assign some text to it. And then same thing with person B. We will save it, connect up the nodes, and then we will try it. So first you see the text buttons, and now you see images and text buttons. So it's not quite right. So let's make a change. We're going to have to do some HTML editing to make this function properly. The little ... allows you to get into HTML mode. And the problem is that when they got created, the link tag doesn't incorporate the button. So we're going to move the /A all the way to the end of the image. And we will do that for both of them. So you see we delete it from next to the text, and then we insert it at the end of the image. We will now save this, do another test, person B, and now you see the image is inside of the button for selection. Now this is good, but we want to remove the text now. So we will do a sample with image only. We'll drag two new nodes, connect them up, give this a name, formatted HTML. The ... allows you to add images, so we'll add the image. We will add the second image. Select them to get the button code in place. And now we will do two edits. First we will get rid of the A, and get rid of the text. So this will correct the link part, but we also need to change the action part. And so you will see some pre-formatted text that was in place. And this actually performs an action without having the text of the inside the button. So it will be hidden. So you can adjust this according to the text that you want to be sent based on your application. And then we'll fix up the link, save it, and now try it. And there you see you've got buttons without text in them. And you can put as many buttons as you want in place. So that is how to create image buttons in Expert mode. Thank you.